Have you ever woken up in the morning and felt like your eyes aged overnight? They're dry, gritty, maybe burning, or so blurry you can't even read the morning paper. If you're over 60, you probably know exactly what I'm talking about. That frustrating moment when you open your eyes and think, why do they feel worse now than before I went to bed? You're not alone. This is something I hear from so many older adults, and it's not just about getting older. In most cases, it's your body's natural overnight repair cycle slowing down, and your eyes struggling to recover while you sleep. But here's the encouraging part. There are simple, natural drinks, things you probably already have in your kitchen, that can actually help repair and protect your eyes while you sleep. I'm Dr. James Porter, and for over 30 years I've been helping seniors keep their independence, protect their vision, and stay sharp well into their later years. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what to drink before bed, so you can wake up with clearer, more comfortable eyes. And I'll also show you what to avoid so you're not quietly making things worse without even realizing it. Stay with me until the end, because I'll share a simple nightly ritual that could completely change your mornings and give your eyes the support they need to thrive. Your vision is precious, and protecting it starts with the choices you make tonight. Before we begin, if you find this kind of health advice helpful, hit the like button. It really helps me share these lessons with more people. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss my future videos. And here's a little fun. If you enjoy this video, comment the number 1 below. If you think I can improve it, comment 0 so I know how to make my next video even better for you. Alright, let's get started. One of the biggest reasons your eyes don't feel refreshed in the morning is inflammation. The sneaky. It builds up day after day from sunlight, from hours of screen time, from changes in blood sugar, even from poor sleep itself. And once it's there, it does more damage than most people realize. It dries out your eyes. It stiffens those tiny, delicate blood vessels that keep your eyes nourished. And it slows down your body's ability to repair the retina and cornea, the very structures that keep your vision sharp. That's why the first bedtime drink I recommend, especially for my patients who wake up with burning, gritty, or blurry eyes, is something warm, soothing, and golden. It's called turmeric milk. You might know turmeric as the bright yellow spice that gives curry its color, but in the world of natural health, it's been prized for centuries for its healing properties. The real magic comes from its active compound, curcumin. Now, I don't want to get too science-y here, but curcumin is simply the part of turmeric that fights inflammation. And it doesn't just help your joints, it works in your eyes too. Your eyes are filled with a network of tiny blood vessels. If they get inflamed, oxygen and nutrients can't get where they need to go, especially at night when your eyes are supposed to be in full repair mode. Curcumin keeps those vessels relaxed and open, helps prevent the stiffening that comes with age, and supports moisture and antioxidant delivery while you sleep. Let me tell you about Jeanette. She's 71, and she came to see me because every morning she felt like she was prying her eyes open with sandpaper. She had burning, she had blurriness, and nothing seemed to help. I suggested she try turmeric milk about an hour before bed. 3 weeks later, she came back and said, "Dr. Porter, I can't believe it. The burning is gone. I still have a little blurriness in the morning, but it's nothing like before." Jeanette didn't change her glasses. She didn't buy expensive supplements. She simply gave her eyes the chance to repair without having to fight off inflammation first. Now, there's a right way to make turmeric milk so it works better for your eyes. The key is to pair turmeric with a small amount of healthy fat, like whole milk, coconut milk, or almond milk, because curcumin is fat-soluble. That means it needs a little fat to get absorbed into your bloodstream. I'll walk you through exactly how to make it later in the video. Most people think of chamomile tea as something to help you sleep, and yes, it does. But what's less known is how it helps your eyes recover overnight. Here's the thing. Behind each eye are tiny muscles that work all day to help you focus and move your eyes. Every time you read, scroll, or watch TV, they're firing. And when you're over 60, your muscles take longer to recover. By bedtime, those muscles are often tight, fatigued, and if stress or poor sleep is in the mix, they might never fully relax. This keeps your nervous system in a low-grade alert mode, even while you're trying to rest. Chamomile contains apigenin, a natural plant compound that gently tells your nervous system, it's safe to relax now. That's the moment those tiny ocular muscles can finally let go. When that happens, something wonderful occurs. Your eyelids close more completely, your tears spread evenly, and those muscles stop tugging on your optic nerve or retina. Over time, this can reduce strain, improve morning focus, and even ease chronic dryness. Plus, chamomile is packed with antioxidants that help neutralize oxidative stress from sunlight, pollution, and blue light from screens, all while you sleep. If you try chamomile tea, make sure it's pure and unsweetened. Steep it for at least 8 to 10 minutes so the apigenin fully releases, and drink it about 30 to 60 minutes before bed so your body has time to respond. Now, there's one more piece to this puzzle, and it's something almost nobody talks about. It's not just about what you drink, it's about when and how you prepare your body for rest so your eyes get the most benefit overnight. In a few minutes, I'll share my step-by-step nighttime eye health ritual that combines these drinks with one small change in your evening habits. This combination is what helps my patients wake up not just with clearer vision, but feeling more refreshed overall. So stay with me, because your eyes are too important to leave unprotected.